Hey everybody, this is Sandy with Sandy & Company, and today we are talking about the 3 top renovations to help you stay in your home for as long as possible. According to various sources, up to 80% of all home accidents happen right here in the bathroom. So if you'd like to stay in your house for as long as possible, let's talk about the 3 top things that most people do in order to make that most easily happen. Okay, here we go. Number 1, we've got grab rails. Now this was not something I thought about when I first moved in, and apparently the person before me thought this is the first thing I'm going to get rid of, but it's actually pretty handy when I realize that I need a washcloth or a towel from the closet, and so I hang on to this and I reach around the corner. Or I even just hang on to it when I'm stepping out because it's a little slippery. Why not be a little bit more careful? This is probably the cheapest thing that you can do to most safely stay in your home. A grab bar costs anywhere from $50. You can probably get them, those section ones, about that price, maybe even a little bit cheaper on Amazon. Or you can have someone come in, contractor, and screw it in and make sure that it never goes anywhere. You pick. According to the senior real estate specialists, of which I am one, the price for a grab bar runs between $100 and $750. So a little cheaper if you're getting one from Amazon, but definitely within most people's budget. And that is the number one thing that most people do when they're looking to age safely in place in their homes. Number 2, how about them showers? Or I should say, how about them tubs? So if you can avoid stepping up 16 inches into the bathtub, then maybe you're looking for an easy transition shower. So a shower, a curbless shower as they call it, runs between $1,500 and $9,000. Obviously that has a big range depending on what the quality is and what materials you want to use and who you have doing it. But this is definitely something I would not go on the cheap, because when you've got, like I said, 16 inches or something, and then you want to make sure that the shower is put in correctly, please make sure that you're using a professional who understands what happens with water and wood and building materials, and you don't want to have a problem later on. So get that professional in there, make sure that that job is done right for somewhere between $1,500 to $9,000. Renovation number 3. This is probably the least one we want to talk about, but it's increasing the height of the toilet. Everybody uses it. You really need to make sure that you can get up safely after you've sat down. Mine, I won't bother showing it to you. It's original. It's very short. It's a little hard to get up from. And that update can be anywhere from $50 if you want to get one of those plastic risers, which is pretty simple, just to set right down inside the toilet, or to go ahead and install a higher toilet from the get-go. So they have some pretty nice ones. It might be time for an upgrade. Maybe you've hung on to the old one just because you needed to, but this could be a nice freshen up in your bathroom. So those 2 things, grab bars, height, over here, toilets, those are the 3 things that you can do to best make sure that you are as safe as possible in your home and to age safely and gracefully in place in your home that you've already spent so much effort and time in and you want to stay in. Let's do the best we can. If you have any questions about how to best adjust this to you, how can you stay best in your home as long as possible, or if you've decided, no, it's time to make it happen, let's just go and find the new place that really works for me now, I am just a phone call away, a message, a text. Reach out. We're here to help. Our motto is making lives better. How can we help you with yours? Have a super blessed day.